Hello everyone, I'm George. Welcome to Georgie's Kitchen. Tonight, I'm going to bake some pizza with squid rings, my favorite, and coconut shrimp. Let's start. First, we need a baking sheet. First, we add some oil. Then, we add the coconut shrimp. Now, we add the squid rings. We set the oven to 400 Fahrenheit. We open the frozen pizza. Since we don't have enough baking sheet, we put the pizza on aluminum foil. Now, we put the coconut shrimp and squid rings into the oven. At the same time, we put the pizza in. Now, we flip the coconut shrimp and the squid rings. Now, the squid rings and the coconut shrimp are ready to serve. Now, we set the table. Let's eat. Very yummy. Can I put? Thanks for watching, guys. I will be doing many experiments and cooking with you. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any fun activities. Remember to check the bell so you don't miss out any notifications. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.